Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. In case you missed the previous video on knee blocks, don't forget to watch it, either now, or after this session.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and today I have Ganesh, my student, to help us demonstrate the clinch work. The clinch work would be a close counter range of using the opponent's weight to cause an imbalance when he tries to come in for the attack, and you be in a defensive position as well. So there are different variations of clinches that you can use. But before you go for the clinch, you need to know how to position, how to use the hand that will go for the clinch from the head, from the shoulder, and from the hip. That will create a lock and give leverage for you to throw the opponent off using his own body weight. Right? Let's see how to lock the head first. Ganesh, please come here. Right? The first palm goes behind the head and second palm covers. Now you will have to see that the stronger hand again is inside, supporting hand is outside. Now you would not try to pull a person down from this point of the head because he may have a strong neck muscle and he may not allow you to pull him. But if you place the hand slightly above the back of the head, and you can now pin the person down very easily. So this will be the clinch number 1 that you learn to hold, how to position your hand, and then you form a clinching position. Having said that, the second clinch, a basic clinch, right? From here, you would bring the person down where you block his nose against your body, which will cause him difficulty to breathe, and he would give up. Like this, you would see that. Now, you will cross the clinch and block the nose here. Okay, thank you. The third would be the body clinch, where you block the lower back here and break. This can cause a break. So these will be the 3 basic clinches that you can use to learn for a beginner. Let's see how to move around smoothly with exchanging hands with your partner. Ready, Ganesh? Let's go. Up, let's go. 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 Inside. You can move around smoothly. You see, playing around. Inside. Inside. Outside. You can see how you're playing around with his body weight. You can see. And you go for the clinch from the movement. Again, please go around, play around. Right? Again, clinch. And as you clinch, you can also trip. Right? Let's go. Clinch. Move. You play around, Ganesh. Come on. Right? You see? Clinch. You see? Now, if he has to go for a locking your hip. Ready? Let's go. Up. Up. Go for a lock. Now, if you're locked from this position, you can break this hold by a simple lock of the elbow. This will break the elbow here. So he'll be forced to release you. The more you squeeze, the person goes upward and bad pain, and he is forced to release. That's the clinch number 1. Thank you. We'll now see the clinch number 2, where you lock the neck using a swing. Thank you, Ganesh. Let's go ahead. Let's again start to exchange hands. Ready? Let's go. Up. So this is how you swing the neck and hold back. Play around. Play around. Play around. Sorry. Please go ahead. Let's go. Yep. Look in the front. Don't look down. Look in the front. Yep. You lock the neck and you pull it down. As you pull it down, it gives leverage to go to a bang, the knee. Play around. Come on. Up. 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 Bang. Well, if that knee goes into the abdomen, you can just imagine what destruction can cause. That would be the clinch number 2. Great. We now see the third clinch. Now, in this clinch, once you lock the opponent by the neck, all right, you would squeeze the elbow bone into the pectoral point here. That will cause immense pain and release or bring the person down. Let's see how to do with the movement right now. All right, Ganesh, let's go. Exchange hands again. Easy. And from this position, let's say I got the clinch, and now Ganesh tried to break my hold from here and try to break my hold. Now he is giving me leverage to go towards his chest. Please mind this because he is pulling. So I now raise the elbow and put the elbow bone into the pectoral. That will cause him to automatically bend down. That's the third clinch. Let's go. Play. Yep. There you go. And then from there, bang, bang, bang. You finish. You will now see the next clinch, which is a triangular clinch. And when you do the triangular clinch, it comes against the carotid artery that supplies the blood to the brain. So you do a triangle formation here and squeeze both the elbows, making it more narrow. You cut the blood supply. It may make the person go unconscious. Plus, it's also a very good clinch to weaken the opponent during your Muay Thai fight. Let's now see how to move with that now. Let's go, Ganesh. Come on. Play. Yep. So now you go for the clinch. And hold on, just squeezing the elbow inside. Squeezing the elbow inside, keeping the lock. There you go. Then bang, bang, bang. You finish. You weaken the opponent and then finish with a soak, elbow. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.